Mara di sono, bewe. Bo dhade sa bewe. Bavio. Shaba beshu. Shaba bewe.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Guys, I heard what Zimbabweans are walking now from South Africa to Zimbabwe. So we don't know what happened because they were waiting for almost a week outside, sleeping on the streets. So their government promised to send buses, but until now there are no buses to come and fetch them. It's like only 7 buses came. I think it was last week, according to the information I got. Since those buses left, no bus came again to come and fetch them. So now they decided to walk from South Africa to Zimbabwe. Just imagine some of them with babies on their backs, some of them heavily pregnant. Hey, it's bad. It's very bad because I heard ukuthi those who are in South Africa, they will come back to Zimbabwe the same way they went to South Africa. Those who are coming back from South Africa must use creative ways they used to go to South Africa. So I think that is the reason now they are walking. Imagine walking from South Africa to Zimbabwe with yonke le mithwalo, with all these big bags, ama-luggages, abawathwele, yingane. But they are going home. They are going home right now because they've been sleeping on the streets for days, almost a week now. They've been sleeping in front of their consulate. Some of them from Northern Cape, from Mpumalanga, from Northwest. They are all over the country. And sekumele ukuthi understand ukuthi oh no, all these people, only Zimbabweans, no Nigerian, no Malawian here. The same thing we saw in Durban, Cape Town, all over the country, only Malawians, thousands and thousands of Malawians, and now it's Zimbabweans. All these people were in this country, are still in this country, because this one is not even up to 1% of people who are still with us here in South Africa. Zimbabweans, Malawians, Nigerians, Pakistanis, and all this. Hey, guys, mina angisazi. Those who are still saying they are not going anywhere, they will regret it later because ama-patriots awadlali. They are removing them from their sheds, from their houses, from everywhere. But go home. What they are saying is that you need to go, you need to leave our community. So I don't know ukuthi njengoba belokhu be-resist bethi they are not going anywhere ukuthi bazogcinela kuphi. Especially laba abahlala emalokishini ke bona nje abekho safe kakhulu because abadlali umphakathi, even aboma-landlords njengamanje nabo bathenjisiwe ukuthi if you are still harboring these people in your home, sizodila nawe, uzobona ukuthi soyenzani. So nabo ama-landlord nawo nje vele powerless njengamanje, asazi kuzoyenzakalani. Angithi uyabona, they are still removing them from their houses, from their sheds. They are telling them to go and join their fellow countrymen kulama camps la belinde khona amabhasi. So there is no place to hide, especially if uhlala elokishini. Ayikho indawo yokucasha. There's no place to hide for them. So these are Nigerians. They are going through the same thing. They left their houses wherever they are coming from, waiting for ama-flights ukuthi azobathatha ebabuyisele eNigeria. Ugovernment wabo naye udlala ama-hide and seek kubona but they are busy blaming the South African government. Ababa blame ababo government njengoba bedlala ngabo kanjena nje. Let's watch them, guys.
These are Nigerians that we are stranded, terribly stranded. Thank God for the CG. By the grace of God, we accommodated them in our house here in Pretoria. It was terrible what they passed through. But it's okay. It's okay. That is life.
Me and that boy, we take the same time, we take the form the same time. He was the last person how we see it. We need to deal with that guy.
Good morning.
Don't come from Nigeria. How do you know we here? You get anybody? You get anybody who is a broker? How should I go? Let's get anybody. That's you guys are collected money. I'm not saying
Even these Nigerians have been sleeping in front of their embassy for over a week now, waiting for their flights to come and fetch them from South Africa back home. But their government is playing hide and seek for them. Look at the conditions they are facing in a foreign country because they don't want to fight for their country. The only thing they know is to complain in other countries instead of complaining to their own government. Look at how he's treating them. Their politicians were making a lot of noise a few weeks ago, blaming South Africa for mistreating them. Where are those politicians now? They are sleeping on the streets, suffering no food, nothing in winter in a foreign country. Where are those politicians? Where are those ministers who are fighting for them? Why are they not taking care of these people now? Are they not their responsibility? And these African citizens are giving these African leaders, power to abuse them because they are always defending them. They are always blaming other countries instead of holding their own governments accountable for mistreating them. They'll be blaming others. It's so sad.
No?
These are Ethiopians who were chased away from the community. These Africans prefer to live this kind of life in other countries instead of fighting for their rights in their own countries. Really, I don't understand them.
Full sec South Africa, full sec Jensita, full sec Ramaphosa, full sec South Africa, full sec South Africa, Africa hates you, full sec full sec Ramaphosa, full sec useless South Africa, full sec ANC government, full sec useless country.
Iyona-ke into abayaziyo le ukuthukana ne-South Africa instead of fixing their problems in their own countries. But blame South Africa for everything. Haya bayimisele shem. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.